Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I saw UK 49 prediction for Wednesday 29 January 2025. Today lunchtime single prediction numbers number 1, number 3, number 31, number 43, number 45, number 47. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat number 1, number 3, number 31, number 43, number 45, number 47. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers number 18 and number 25 and number 33 and number 39 and number 41 and number 49. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat number 18, number 25, number 33, number 39, number 41, number 49. Now lunchtime bonus ball numbers number 24 and number 34. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat number 24 and number 34. So friends, complete today lunchtime prediction numbers. Now tea time prediction for Wednesday 29 January 2025. Today tea time single prediction numbers number 7, number 10, number 16, number 27, number 29, number 31. Today time single prediction number repeat number 7, number 10, number 16, number 27, number 29, number 31. Now tea time second prediction numbers number 31, number 33, number 37, number 44, number 45, number 46. Today tea time second prediction number repeat number 31, number 33 and number 37, number 44, number 45, number 46. Now tea time bonus ball numbers number 22 and number 28. Today time bonus ball number repeat number 22 and number 28. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.